Is that how you feel, that you're in charge?
No comment.
That it's all about the power?
No comment.
And you run the show?
No comment.
So this was a heinous attack on a vulnerable lone lady in the city centre back on the 27th of December last year. In the early hours of the morning, she was targeted by Liam Stimpson, who isolated her under the guise of offering to buy her food. He took her to a secluded location in the city centre, just under the bridge before Callaghan Square. There he assaulted her profoundly, inflicting really serious facial injuries. He raped her, he threatened her, he bullied her, he humiliated her. The condition of the victim was such that she struggled to give us an account at the beginning of the investigation. So we relied really heavily on, thankfully, members of the public who had intervened and in my view probably saved her life, who were able to provide more information about his movements both before and after this incident. And I would really want to emphasise the professionalism and dedication of the officer in this case, the investigation team and the forensic imaging officer in producing a product capable of being presented at court. I've been in the police for 21 years and it's without question some of the most harrowing footage I've ever unfortunately had to witness. So the fact that the jury were exposed to that and took such careful consideration over their verdicts, I'm extremely appreciative. The victim in this case has complex vulnerabilities. She typically doesn't have a voice, but we take violence against women and girls incredibly serious regardless of who the individual is involved, because we want to protect people from sadistic perpetrators like Liam Stimpson.